that yeah.
Such a boy, such a boy.
Hey YouTube, welcome back or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your hair platinum blonde from black all in one day, guys. You're going to need the quick blue bleach, and I'm going to be using a 40 volume developer. Keep in mind guys that the 40 volume developer is a lot stronger than the 30 or 20. It works faster, but it's also going to burn a lot more. Here I'm just going to be applying Vaseline all around the circumference of his head, just so that I can prevent that from getting burnt. I went ahead to mix the 40 volume developer with the bleach. For the consistency, just make sure it's not too thick or too watery. And then you just want to apply the product all over the hair and make sure you get every section.
Gala, you bad, no need for long talk. Gala, you bad, wanna make you mine, non-stop. See Vanessa, no stressor. It's only you on my missions. No time, no vexer, cause it's only you that I can love. Only you, you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you, you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you, okay, man, baby, you are busting, girl, you are busting my brain. Girl, you do me Jim, I don't feel explain. Okay, man, baby, you are busting, girl, you are busting my brain. You no need to complain, you. Yeah. What is it with all these questions? Don't need all these complications. Them other girls got nothing on you. My exes, they keep on calling. They're trying to get one on me, but nobody got nothing on you. Only you.
So I went ahead to wrap his hair. This is just going to make sure it processes faster and keeps the heat within. After I left this for 40 minutes, so after 40 minutes I washed it off with a purple shampoo. This is the shampoo I used. And I did not leave the shampoo in for long. I just literally put it on like you would for a regular shampoo and wash the shampoo off. So this is what it looks like after 40 minutes. I'm going to go ahead again and do this exact process the second time, just because as you guys can see, the hair is still very much yellow and we're trying to get rid of all that yellowness. And I'm basically going to try to lift this yellow color one more step up. I still went ahead with the same 40 volume developer and bleach. Here you could use 30 volume developer as well. And like you guys would see very soon, I did not put this mixture on the back of his head where he doesn't have as much hair, just because he was also cutting the hair and he did say that that part was hurting him a lot more the first time. So I just basically did the top of the head and the side, and I left this to sit for another 40 minutes and applied the product on the back of his head 20 minutes into the 40 minutes. Hope that makes sense.
Only you can do the things you do. Only you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you. Make me feel nice. Only you within my mind. Only you where I want to see when I wake up right from my side. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, we go together like Kelly Roll and the Nelly. You go be my last name if you let me. I go on one knee if you ready. You go be the woman, wake up on my baby. Show me what you got tonight. Let's align. Bust a wine, feel so nice, body so divine. How can I not be high when we eye to eye, chin to chin, lip to lip? Oh my God, love your body on me. Oh yeah.
So this is what we're left with after washing the hair the second time. So here I'm gonna go in with the Wella Color Champ T18 toner and the 20 volume developer. For this mixture, I did measure it, so it's gonna be 1 part of the toner and 2 parts developer. So mix this thoroughly and apply the product on the hair. I did not leave this toner in for long. I only left it for about 5 minutes and then went ahead to wash it with the same purple shampoo, and that's it, guys.
Only you and I, only only you, you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do. Only you, you make me feel brand new. Only you can do the things you do.
Next.
Only you, only you.
Let me know if you guys found this video helpful by giving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers, so please guys subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, and whoever you think may need this tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next one. And don't forget to check my previous video, guys. I did do a platinum blonde video about a year ago, and this is kind of like an updated version, and some things were done differently. So be sure to check that out as well if you're interested. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You bad, no need for long talk.